morning, folks, and welcome to Haiti. Oh my God, I am so happy to be here. I am staying at La Réserve for the next 15 days as we are getting ready for Goué-Saveur Lacaille Haiti 2014. As you can see behind me, it's beautiful. Yes, we are as if we were in the jungle, and we are about to jump in the kitchen real quick with Chef Tony, who's the executive chef for the restaurant of the hotel. We're about to start cooking some stuff today. Just have fun in the kitchen. As you can see, we are in the kitchen of La Réserve right now with Chef Tony. We're just messing around in the kitchen today. This is the owner, Fritz, of the La Réserve, our host for the entire time. We're happy to be here.
Can't you taste something? There's nothing to taste yet.
Oui, nous allons préparer un petit bail là, poser là pour Fritz.
Spécial.
Yes.
Depuis hier, je n'ai pas mangé
Tomorrow's Max's birthday. I have to go play soccer with him. Soccer birthday party.
Yeah, today we're with Chef D, and we're going up the mountains today. You know, chefing and jeeping, live in effect. You know, give you guys a nice view of what's going on here. We're gonna go top of the mountains and cook in the wilderness.
Yeah, man.
So stay tuned. Hey man, we up in the mountains in Haiti. As you can tell, we have a beautiful view behind us, overlooking the entire city. You know, me and Chef David, we're about to cook right now, called this chefing and jibbing. We've been showing you guys the whole ride up, and now we're actually at our designated location, and we're about to cook a little something. So this is the real Haiti, if you guys never been. So all that talking about poverty and everything, yes, it exists, but also there are beautiful, beautiful sides of Haiti. So glance at it, enjoy that view, and make sure you guys come visit Haiti. When you talk about chefing and jipping, I say you're not party. On top of the car, that's where we're about to cook. Yeah.
That's where the magic happened, man, on top of the car.
Got it, logo.
I'm doing that, man.
Achevin pan nan men nou an le a.
Nan te ka fwo.
Nan ka fwo an le a, nou mette yo, achevin nan. Esye nan mette yo, achevin nan ka mette ti moun sa, depi moun ti sing la bi.
Okay, so I stopped by today at my parents' house, and as you can tell, my dad loves to grow fruits and vegetables, and this is a cherry tree that we have home, and that's one of what, 1, 2, 3, he has 4 of them, a whole plethora of palm and coconut trees around the house, you know, soursop and all that stuff. So this is what you really call eating and drinking fresh. So you have everything at your disposal. Don't need to go to the market to buy any processed or, you know, food with chemicals. This is what we call fresh in your backyard. Gotta go closer to the coconut tree. You guys can take a sneak peek. Man, so much of them that they barely take them out, and you can tell some of them are going a little bad. But oh man, I so love to come back home because I drink and I eat fresh.
All the chefs, tous les chefs ici présents, les membres de la presse, les membres de l'ATH qui se sont déplacés pour cet événement, et finalement tous les participants de Goût et Saveur. L'ATH est fier de se compter parmi les partenaires de ce festival Goût et Saveur Racaille aux côtés de Culinary Events.
All right. We're in the supermarket right now with Chef Tony and Chef Roshni. We're shopping for our menu tomorrow. Get Chef Rosh's little opinion on so far on the store.
The supermarkets are beautiful here. Beautiful. The only thing is, obviously, the American things are a lot more expensive than they would be home. But the produce is so nice and fresh. I love coming to the supermarket here.
Okay, awesome. Chef Tony, want to say hi to the...
Hi.
It's Chef Tony from La Réserve.
Yeah.
He's the executive chef, our host.
Cardamom ground.
Cardamom ground. Yay!
Cardamom green.
Yay! A happy camper.
You need Baileys.
Remember? No, not really. No. No. Yo, it's been an extremely long day so far. We've done radio, TV, meetings, prepping for tomorrow's event, prepping for tonight's event, and we still are going on. And we have basically about an hour to get ready. We're in the kitchen of La Réserve right now, and we're cooking. It's gonna be a rum-based sauce that we're gonna serve with a chaka. Ça c'est équipe La Réserve là, si monsieur bien posé, si monsieur dit ça qu'a fait. Chef Tony qui a brassé maï moulin. Ça c'est le chaka. Maï moulin style.
Comment c'est? Papy l'a vu toujours? On peut brasser. Papy l'a vu toujours, chef?
On va arriver. Il va le dire toujours. Tu as piqué? Il a tout fait, tout fait. Bon, Jean là c'est comme ça, nous faisons pas un mauvais boy ici là.
Mauvais.
On va.
Oui.
C'est Jackie. Yeah, so this rum that's cooking is going inside this sauce. Bon bag, guy.
did a pretty nice job too.
Yeah, I know. Chef Christian Forêt.
Chef Erica Davis too.
Okay.
C'est Chef Erica Davis qui fait ça. Le tout est mélangé. Présentation bien belle. Beautiful presentation.
Chef Christian, comment ça va? Tu fais un reportage?
Yes, you get that.
Okay. So we're here in the lobby of the restaurant Le Rond-Point of Kinam with Chef Luqman.
Yes.
Chef Luqman, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. This is a great feeling, man. Just to be here in Haiti, doing what we do best as chefs, man. There's no greater feeling, brother.
All right. I see you have a great turnout. The people seem to be loving, enjoying the food.
Yes, it was a nice brunch. We had 2 waves. We started at 11, and the crowd came in early. We was packed house. We actually couldn't even get them out. We had, now we've got the second crowd in. It's packed house again. So we're very happy as chefs. That's what we look forward to, and people are happy. The band is doing a great job in there. I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
Awesome. Man, this is what you call a brunch in Haiti. Food galore, talents. Chef Juvens. Want to say hi, Chef Juvens, for the camera a little bit.
Guys, I'm here with my future sous chef, Nathan.
All right.
We just knocked out a beautiful brunch. Chef, thank you so much for coming out and helping out.
Chef Christian Forêt.
Don't forget the incredible
The pastry chef here. This guy is amazing.
Chef Christian Forêt.
Awesome.
Amazing, hands down.
This is the brain behind this house here. That's his house. So we're in his home. We're guests here. So we're happy to be here in his house.
I can do what we do best.
All right. Can you guys say this is Haiti?
This is Haiti.
Oh my God. All right. So we're in the kitchen of Quartier Latin today, and we're about to do a chef's table tonight. We have Chef David Desnob. He's gonna do his dish. Say hi, Hillary.
Hey.
No, we got the other chefs. They're gonna be doing their stuff tonight. So look behind the scenes, as usual, with me, your host, Chef Lemaire, getting ready to make an awesome event. Take you guys a little bit outside so you can see what we have going on. A little sneak peek of our dishes. So these are 4 of our dishes. This will be tonight. Staffy's outside, working hard at setting the tables and everything. It's a formal dinner, paired up. Neymar Belancourt of SDC. Say hi.
Hi, hello.
Yeah. So, all right. So it's like hour and 15 minutes away before first place goes out. So we're about to call it short. Taking a picture of me while I'm filming. That's good. Hey. Bon, j'étais. Vidéo m'a fait. Nous dans kitchen la réserve là. Assoir nous va faire dégâts dans la ville là. Bon pork festival brassé là. Team la réserve là on deck. Chef Patrick Tezan on deck. Chef Natacha on deck. Nous avons tout le monde là on deck. Chef Luqman on deck. Chef Matt Kaila on deck. Chef Tony. Comprends-moi. Pas de désordre dans la cuisine là. Tout le monde dit pork fest. Bon bagage. Okay, so this is the last day of Goué Saveur. I mean, no words can describe the emotions we're feeling right now. It's been 10 days and we feel like we haven't done enough yet. So today, unfortunately, we are at the beach. Enjoying a good time with the chefs. Yeah.
Top chef at his best, baby.
Yeah, yo, we like doing pork, you know, roasted pork in the cage. You got Chef Stéphane in the house. Yo, ça qu'a fait.
Nous là, cochon à quit. Cochon à quit.
Yo, you know, we got the boy Chef V. Yo, Chef V, how long you been doing this thing, man? Yo, I think you what? You seasoned? My dog seasoned, bitch.
You know Ivy graduated the same time as us, right?
Yo, like I said earlier, we at the beach the last day of Gué-Saint-Lacaille. We're grilling, drinking, chilling. Yo, Neymar say hi, what's up? Yeah, the other half of SDC. Yeah, what's happening? Nous dans la mer là. On prend tout chef, il a pris l'action, on va aller.
Ça a été dernier soir, demain si Dieu veut me prendre la caille, moi regrette ma parler, ma vraie famille Kounia.
Yo, that's what it is. Mixed emotions. Gars, non chemisette sous bien nan Jésus. On prend littéralement bien habillé, les gain tête.
Bien haïtien, on prestige. Pas de bien qu'à comparer à ça, non?
Mon bagage.